This short video provides an analysis of the script of the 818 labors of the month as found in the manuscript located in the Munich Bayerische Staatsbibliothek. Although one might expect a document produced during the Carolingian period to be written in Carolingian script, there's a key aspect of Carolingian lettering which eliminates this as a match. Carolingian script is characterized by rounding of the letters, as seen here in the illuminated letter M. This is from the beginning of the Gospel of Matthew in the 11th century Reichenau Gospel in the Walters Art Museum manuscript collection in Baltimore. The M in the labors of the months, on the other hand, is clearly created solely by upward and downward strokes, with no rounding. It is very similar to the way in which the letter A is produced. A more congruent match is found in rustic capitals, where the letters are vertical and the descenders flow straight down rather than curving to the left or right. Here's an example of rustic capitals from the 8th century Vespasian Psalter located in the British Library. This bookhand was used from the 4th to the 9th centuries, a period encompassing the creation of the 818 labors of the months. Here we have the month of January, in which you can notice that the A is made without a crossbar. The N has a descender, which is slightly shortened to accommodate the illustration. And there is a suspension line indicating that the month is an abbreviation. This slide illustrates the month of February. The descender on the F is quite predominant, despite having faded a bit. Again, there's a suspension line to indicate abbreviation. There is another version of the 818 labors of the month manuscript located in Vienna. Here we compare the labels for the months of August. The Munich version has a G with the stroke extending downward, while the Vienna version completes the letter with an upward curve. This may reflect a stylistic difference in the individual scribes. Here's an image containing both versions of the labors of the month. Note that both are written in rustic capitals with slight variations in the formation of the letters, as noted previously with the month of August. The abbreviations for the months of September, November, and December contain additional letters in the Vienna version, and in both versions, suspension lines appear above each of the months, denoting their abbreviations. One wonders if each version is copied from another predated version, or if one is copied from the other. While the contents of the illustrations are alike, the differences in labeling of the months is worthy of further investigation. But despite the slight differences, rustic capitals are the style of lettering used to label each of the months in both versions. Used for copying texts and easy to read, it was the perfect match for these single-page illustrations of the labors of the month.